This is November 15th, our winter wonderland. A real surprise. Nice branch came down, sounded like a bullet going off. Looks pretty. Granddad's one out there.
David, this is yours. And this is
There's something here for Mitzi from Luke. Are you serious? Oh, Mitzi.
Now, where's Mitzi's things, hon?
Here's Mitzi's thing.
I forgot to bring them up.
Here you go, Mitzi.
Oh, you better go.
Mitzi doesn't want
No, she did? Here, man. Look at her butt. Well, maybe she did.
She's got something hanging
Here,
there.
man.
Ooh.
Oh, come on. Look at,
Oh, it's gone
would you give me a
now.
Kleenex? Did it, is it?
No.
Here you go. Here you go.
Jack does, but Luke doesn't.
Yes, she does.
Jack gets a major league.
Oh, yeah, she does. Come here,
Oh,
man.
jeez, look at this.
Come here.
Would we lie to you?
Come here,
But
man.
yeah.
About something like that, you might. Yes.
Please don't put this
Probably
on
iron.
tape.
I'm
She's
I know
playing
what it
with her toy.
It's not good.
Well,
That's right. Put it on Dad.
Yeah, rub it on me. Everybody else does, so go on.
There you go.
okay, everybody
Here
can
you go,
start
Lee.
opening.
No, I think we should go
Hey,
on.
Lee.
It would be a
Oh,
secret.
okay.
So we can see what.
All right, Mitzi, there's more. I'm going to put this in this bag here. Okay, you're next, Dad.
I'm busy. Let somebody else do it.
No, you have to be next.
I didn't even know I had this shirt. What else we got here? Oh, my white turtleneck. I wore this once. I never saw
Ben
it
in
again.
there.
I didn't buy
And my white dress shirt. Oh boy, and my swim trunks. That's not all. Somebody's got my jacket. Somebody still has my coat.
Oh,
Well, the kids are just
forgot about
I'm
that.
looking, can you get it? What about tomorrow?
the kids are just doing to you what you do to us.
Okay, Dad, you next.
You guessed it though.
Got my
Oh,
clothes back.
that's funny. Now, who's
Yeah,
that?
but that's funny until you go to get dressed.
For David? I knew they were doing that.
I suspected.
Did you know? It doesn't.
Things were disappearing.
Mitzi.
Yeah, but they leave clothes behind, so when I do laundry.
We planned this. It's for the Christmas.
Oh, Mickey.
Oh, those are pretty.
Yeah, I grew those. They grow in about a month. I still have them back now.
Nancy's? Okay, here, I'll open
What did
it.
Rachel get?
Lip gloss.
Ooh, multi-color. The flavor too?
Yep. Nancy was nice. She put bows on all her presents. You notice how many bows I have on my presents?
I put both in some moment.
I didn't put any, yes, you did. I didn't put any bows on my presents.
Oh, I wish you was funny over here.
That was help.
I had an audience, right?
What do you think I did? It's for you guys, yeah?
Ooh,
Sponge candy.
Ooh, a little sip.
that's what that is to keep the boat stable.
Mitzi, would you get down, please? I keep getting the back of your head in this thing.
Ruin my dinner.
Isn't cute?
Now you're going to have to name it.
I don't know. I have to think about it.
Rufus.
Rufus T.
Newt.
Pretty cute.
David Mitzi.
Looks like Mitzi.
I think it's adorable. adorable.
That's gotta be by next.
I got it, that's the raspberry, I thought you might like it because your sister had it. Okay,
Thank you.
it's me again.
Yeah.
Try to remember what's in the box.
I don't.
Wait, you know the soundtrack is? Who's that from?
It's from Nancy, isn't it?
I don't know.
It had
You
ribbon
just
on it.
you
It had
just
the
tear
ribbon.
through the paper.
Well, it had the ribbon on it, that's why I assumed,
Oh, that was really for.
there is no tag on it.
Yes, sir. I just saw.
Where? Okay, I
It's
haven't
got a
my
tag on it
glasses
from
on.
Nancy because I don't.
From Nancy and Mike.
Well, it had a ribbon on it, so I don't.
Yeah,
money on
it had
it.
ribbon on it.
Hey, let's see that.
You know, I could have made those customized for
I was gonna ask you that. I just got a new truck and it doesn't have any.
you. Well, you know, custom works doesn't come cheap.
I got a 12-pack.
Now, if you want to,
That cheap.
Nancy, I got them all rubber. They're pretty good quality rubber, but if you want to take them back and get rugs, but I thought the,
Or you can trace a paper pattern.
This is gonna take a long time, in fact, I gotta start in about a half hour.
Alright.
well, why don't we speed up the process?
Who's that?
Watch the chair. I want to sit on the floor.
Where did
A life-size Barbie.
I know one thing you got.
What?
That has some possibilities,
That's right,
Mike, you
so
know.
you picked it up.
Probably would sell in certain areas.
You better would.
I think that one your presents.
Guys, and it fits you.
It's another cool thing for you.
And pretty outfit.
Yes, it is. Those theater pants.
You get her, should I move that box?
It would be helpful if you moved the bags.
Yep, got no idea how this works.
Rachel's already had 2 of her presents, so she has fewer presents to open. She's wearing her presents.
Look at Magnesia.
Oh, that.
Welcome, Maggie.
I don't, have you ever had the bubble bath?
No.
No, I haven't either, I just wondered how it was.
And shower gel.
Yeah, you're welcome, honey.
Yeah.
Okay, it's my turn again. I'll load up Dad's other present.
Out front and back a little bit further to the west. This is the next shot here that's heading our way as we get along into tomorrow. What is this? A blip has developed in our satellite picture. This is old St. Nick heading to the area for tonight.
Good.
To arrive just
Reindeer, see?
Did you see that, Dad?
on the radar picture, the
On the radar, they had 6 Santa Clauses.
What? I got you one just like it almost.
Before more snow starts to kick in again later tonight.
I know.
Temperatures across our region.
Stuff's
28 degrees right now in the fall.
Want boxes? No, maybe I should put it in a couple of boxes. Here, why don't we put that one in this box?
Pennsylvania. Well, on the national weather scene, as this cold front adds in here tomorrow, it will bring enough cold
So was it busy today?
snow will be regenerated across
People are
the
trying to
area.
get in. I mean, actually, they're standing at the outdoors. People are trying to climb through.
Oh, they closed at 6.
Yeah. We always shut doors like 5 to 6.
Northwesterly
And we're
direction,
trying to get
which
through.
will start to
Is that you
send
go
later
try?
west to the
I got
southern
brown.
suburbs during the course of the afternoon.
Did the Packers win their division?
Yeah, I think so.
So the Steelers didn't?
Yeah, they won theirs like 3 weeks ago.
Oh, okay.
They were so far ahead.
How many divisions are there?
4. Buffalo won here.
No, there's 6.
I don't think so.
There's 6 divisions.
I don't think I will.
2 conferences. But they're not listening, so we'll just say there's 42 and 17. And he's got it on tape to prove it. Right, Lee?
Right, whatever. Whatever.
Got cream in it?
Yeah, kind of like Sophia Loren and Grumpier Old Men, huh?
You seen that?
No, we're going.
No, but I'm going to.
Yeah, that was playing in Wellsville. We just seen it.
We just watched Grumpy Old Men again.
Oh, wasn't that funny?
I mean, we watched
I think the outtakes at the end were funny. It's,
Burgess Meredith still alive?
yeah,
Yeah, he's in the new one.
90 something. He's in this movie again.
Is he 90 something?
Yeah.
No,
Well, what did
no.
it say in the paper? 95. Maybe he's playing.
If he had the kind of life that he always played up that he did.
Right there, that's better.
Well, you're playing with the balls. Did
Fun.
you find the pictures from the Liz birthday?
No.
She has. She's on there. We have it on tape.
Let me see him, right?
Hurry up.
Put that ball down, would you?
What do we have on tape?
Jeez. I just hope it thanks you.
American families separated so others might have peace.
You have to see the one of Ben ironing. Grandpa took a picture of Ben ironing.
ABC News.
Hey, that's my house.
Yeah.
We return some last-minute gift shopping. Gift
Kinda
buying by the first shopper. A survivor of
Really in our whale, and you'll see one breach way off in the distance, because they are breaching.
You're probably like helium or hydrogen in it. So, why did you say that?
Come on, Mike, say something profound.
Why did you say that?
Oh, he doesn't
Easter.
like. It's Easter. He's not going to. Where's Nancy?
In the bathroom.
Oh,
Dara, say something.
something.
Want me to eat so you guys get
Yes.
something?
Let's pretend we're eating.
I'll feed you.
Let's sing Here Comes Peter Cottontail.
Come on, take it all.
She doesn't want it.
I don't want that much. Ugh.
It's the Red Sea. Opens up. So they go over to the Sea of Galilee, and Jesus walks out of the water and falls right through. And so Moses jumps in the water, goes out, pulls him out, gets him out of the water, and Jesus is there. What happened?
This is a premiere movie production of B&L Movies Incorporated. That's Ben and Lee Harris.